Anishwar Gautam to lead Hubli Tigers in Maharaja Trophy KSCA T20 Season 5. Franchise unveils jersey and team anthem ahead of the new season. Bangalore, 18th June 2026. Hubli Tigers announced Anishwar Gautam as captain for the 5th edition of the Maharaja Trophy KSCA T20 on Thursday. The franchise also unveiled its team jersey and launched the official Hubli Tigers anthem ahead of the upcoming season. The event was attended by KSCA Vice President Sujit Somsundar, Chairman of the Maharaja Trophy KSCA T20 Gunning Council MS Keshava, KSCA Treasurer BN Madhukar, Hubli Tigers owner Shivik Jindal and Sushil Kumar Jindal, along with players, coaching staff and team management. Speaking after being named captain, Anishwar Gautam said, "When I was approached about the captaincy, I was slightly nervous. But Vinay Kumar and the coaching staff gave me a lot of confidence, and I received tremendous support from everyone in the team. It is an honor and a privilege to lead this side. Every year, going into the auction, I always hoped I would be picked by Hubli Tigers. To now be leading this team feels very special." Head coach Vinay Kumar praised the franchise support structure and the balance within the squad. "I can proudly say that this franchise works like an IPL franchise. The management gives the coaching staff the freedom to run the show and provides all the support required to get the best out of the players. They have been the backbone of this franchise from day one. This year, we have a wonderful team with a good mixture of youth and experience. We have done our job, now it is up to the players to go out there, give their best and try to win this competition," he said. Hubli Tigers co-owner Sushil Kumar Jindal said, "This jersey is our destiny and this anthem is our voice. Together, they represent the pride, resilience and ambition of North Karnataka. Karnataka is a gold mine of raw talent, and our purpose is to provide a platform where young homegrown players can chase their dreams and fulfill their potential." Hubli Tigers, champions of the Maharaja Trophy KSCA T20 in 2023, enter the new season looking to add another title to their trophy cabinet.
Before when I was approached about the captaincy, I was slightly nervous. But then I was given enough confidence by Vinayana, the coach, and the rest of the team. I'm receiving a lot of support from everyone there. And it feels like an honor and a privilege to be leading the side. Every year I told the team the same thing as well. Leading up to the auction every year, I feel like playing for Hubli Tigers. I hope I get picked by the Tigers. And to be leading this team, it feels very special.
Been almost 6 or 7 times in the finals. So last year also they missed the cup in very small whisker, I should say. This year, considering the kind of build-up what we have given for the tournament and the preparations that are going on, I'm sure we will have an exciting tournament and hopefully...
And the entire Hubli Tigers family who is present today. Look around this room. Tonight it is absolutely radiating gold and black. I can already feel the energy with all of you present here. The anticipation, the shared passion in the air. We are here on the eve of something truly spectacular. Every year, this specific night holds a very special place in our hearts. It marks the official transition of something that we plan in the boardrooms to it roaring in the cricket field. We are about to unveil the modern armor of our boys tonight. And the anthem you are about to hear isn't just music. It is the battle cry of the North Karnataka. It represents our unwavering loyalty to Hubli, our culture of care and our commitment.
In Karnataka, you're providing a platform and an opportunity. Like I've already mentioned, there is a lot of talent in the state. Talent doesn't ask where it's born, like I've said earlier. It just requires an opportunity, and that's what you're providing. And you are our partners in this mission that we have as responsible for the game in the state as office bearers. and you're fulfilling this, one of the missions that we have through the Maharaja Trophy, where we are going to develop this sport. So you're actually supporting us by being such a good franchisee for all these years, and you're continuing to do so. Well, to all the people in the press and all you players of the Hubli Tigers, I would only wish you all the very best. The tiger doesn't hunt alone, right? So it hunts with patience and strikes with precision. I'm sure with your head coach, Vinay has played the sport with the best spirit and highly competitive, and he, being your head coach, I'm sure he's instilled all of these qualities, and you'll all have a great tournament. Like your tagline, you rode together. One piece of advice as a former cricketer, if there will be a lot of pressure, because this is a premier tournament and you'll have a lot of people watching you as talent scouts. I'm sure a lot of you will go on to play in the IPL, but if you will have to be recognized, that will happen only when you play as a team. If you are going to help your team win matches, play together, you will be able to display the best attitude, and the scouts will notice that, instead of playing for yourselves. And that is one brilliant way to enjoy this competition and also bring out the best in you. I'm sure you'll express yourselves very well. And
as I earlier mentioned, we have that great legacy. It's all up to you guys. We have done with our job. It's all there in your hand now. Go there in the middle, give your best, and try to win this competition. The fans have been amazing from the day one. They're always behind Hubli Tigers, and hopefully this year also we'll try to play some good cricket and give you guys and make you all proud. And a special mention to our support staff. They are working relentlessly day in, day night. And also our team's two big backbones, Mr. Manish and Abhijit. A big round of applause to them because they are working really hard. And finally, media, thank you so much for coming for this occasion in this event. Once again, thank you for everyone. Please enjoy the evening.
Every year, people ask me what defines the Hubli Tigers. My answer is very simple. Loyalty, creating this franchise year and year is a renewal of our love to our roots. It is built on a culture of care, excellence and unwavering trust. For us, success extends beyond winning trophies. It is building careers. Karnataka is a gold mine of raw talent. Our true purpose is to provide a premier platform where young home-ground players can chase their dreams and transition and promise youngsters into world-class athletes. Watching them thrive is the greatest reward we could ever ask for. But a tiger cannot rule the jungle alone. To our management team, to our support staff, you are ensuring heroes working tirelessly hours in the shadows. Thank you for keeping our machineries oiled, and a huge thank you to the KSCA for your vision and for giving us this incredible stage to celebrate the game. To our boys, wear this jersey with pride, play with honor, and let's bring the trophy back home. Thank you. Again, let's the road begin. Thank you.